everybody, welcome to MATLAB channel. Today we are going to see about types of polynomial. Okay, standard 9th standard, chapter name is algebra. If you want what is polynomial and what is algebraic expression means, you can refer my previous video if you are new to this channel. Okay. So let's move to today's topic, types of polynomial. Okay. Here we are splitting the types according to two. That is, one is based on terms and another one based on degree. How we can name the polynomial based on terms and how we can name the polynomial based on degree. Okay. Based on terms, we can see three types. That is monomial, binomial and trinomial. What do you mean by monomial means? The name itself based on terms. Terms means in algebraic expression we are having n number of terms. Okay. Suppose we are having only one term in an algebraic expression means then that type of polynomials are called as monomial polynomial. That is, example, see this example, 12ab 6a. 12ab, even though we are having two variable but it's a single term. It's in multiplication. Okay. AB means what is nothing but A into B. Okay, so that is single term. We have to consider this as single term even though we are having two variables. So 12AB, here you are having only one variable. Okay, similarly in this expression also we are having only one variable. So those types of polynomial are called as monomial polynomial. And what do you mean binomial? Bi means nothing but two. So polynomial having two terms means it's called binomial polynomial. That is 5x plus 3. Here we are having one variable term and one constant term. Okay. Even though it's constant but we have to consider it as one term. So if we are totally are having two terms in any algebraic expression means then that type of polynomials are called as binomial polynomial. And the third one is trinomial. Tri means 3. So if we are having three terms means it's trinomial polynomial. Here there is one example, x square and x and minus 12. Okay. So these three we saw is based on terms. Now we are going to see based on degree. You know how to find the degree. Okay. If you want you can refer my previous video. So see in this expression how you can find the degree. The highest power of variable term is called is here degree of the polynomial. See here x square. Here 2 is the highest power of this polynomial. So here the degree is 2. So in your algebraic expression, if you are having only constant term, that no other variable term means then those types of polynomial are called as constant polynomial. The name itself you can predict that constant polynomial means polynomial of degree 0. Why we are saying degree 0? Always in a constant term your degree will be 0. There is no variable in that term. So you will have degree as 0 only. So those types of polynomial are called as constant polynomial. And what do you mean by linear? Linear means single term, right? Similarly, polynomial of degree 1 means you can say that those type of polynomial are called as linear polynomial. See this example, 5x plus 3. Here you are having two terms, but the variable term is only 1. And the degree for this term is, if nothing is there means you have to consider 1, right? So if you are having the degree 1 means you can say that this polynomial is linear polynomial. And quadratic means generally quadratic means 2. So polynomial of degree 2 you can say that quadratic polynomial. This is an example. Y means here the degree is 2. Highest power is 2. And cube means 3. So cubic means polynomial of degree 3. See this. Here we are having two terms. One is y cube and another one is y square. What will be a degree here? Highest power is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. So these types of polynomial are called as cubic polynomial. So today section we saw about types of polynomial based on terms and based on degree. Based on terms we are having three, that is monomial, which is nothing but having single term, and binomial means having two terms, and trinomial means having three terms. We have to see the terms, not degree and all. Okay. Here based on degree we are splitting 4 types of polynomial. That is constant. Constant means we don't have any variable term, only single term. That is constant, where we can get the degree as 0. So that is constant polynomial. And linear means nothing but degree 1, which is the example is here. And quadratic polynomial means the degree is 2. Okay, so highest power in that polynomial should be 2 only. Then those types of polynomial are called as quadratic. And the last one is cubic polynomial, which you should have the highest power order is 3. Then those type of polynomial are called cubic polynomial. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.